Hi guys, Snow here. On today's video will be my makeup for the Hollywood Glamour challenge. My makeup was inspired by Jessica Rabbit. Her style is very old vintage Hollywood glamour. Okay, so how to vote? Go to niscosmetics.pr/face awards and it will take you directly to the page, and right there you can vote every 8 hours. Before applying anything, we're gonna start with a clean and moisturized face. Prime your face with the Angel Veil Primer for a smooth canvas. This part is optional, but I'll be blocking out my eyebrows because I'm gonna be changing the shape of them. Using washable glue stick, cover your eyebrows. Once it is dry, cover it with translucent powder. Use orange corrector over the eyebrows. Apply concealer over them, blend it out with a sponge, and do as many layers as you need for complete coverage. For the dark circles under my eyes, I will be applying a pink concealer and blend it out with a sponge. For foundation, I'll be using the Stay Matte But Not Blonde foundation. I will apply it all over my face and blend it down my neck. For applying foundations, I like using wet sponges because the coverage is more even. If you had any red spots on your face, you can cover them using green corrector. Apply concealer under the eyes to cover out the dark circles. And again, use the sponge to blend it out. And now cover the spots with concealer. Now I will be baking and setting my face with the NYX SFX translucent powder. Because I have very oily skin, I like to go heavy with the powder. Dust off the excess with a fluffy sponge. Draw the shape of the eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil. To fill them in, I'll be using a red liquid lipstick. Clean the edges with concealer. So now we're gonna use the lightest color from the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, the Warm Palette. On the crease, we're gonna use a light beige color and blend it towards the brow bone. Next, we're gonna darken it a little more with this orange shade. And lastly, a darker orange, but keeping it close to the crease. Cut the crease using some concealer or any other cream product. We're gonna cut the crease in a round shape. Go around the crease with the dark orange and blend it out with a fluffy brush. Go over the crease with a light shade. Apply pink over the crease except the middle and the edges. Apply a dark purple on both edges, both inner corner and outer corner. In the middle of the crease, I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk just to brighten it up. And then go over it with a white shimmery eyeshadow. Using a black eyeliner, we're gonna do a winged liner. On the bottom lash line, we're gonna use the orange shade. And then the darker orange shade closer to the lash line. Use a purple eyeliner on the waterline. Apply mascara on both top and bottom lashes. Put on some dramatic lashes. In the inner corners, use a pale shimmery pink. contour your face. Also contour the tip of your nose to make it look smaller. Apply highlighter on both cheekbones and tip of the nose, and also the cupid's bow. Using a red lip pencil, we're gonna draw on the shape of the lips. We're going for a more rounder shape. Fill the lips with a creamy red lipstick. And this is the shape they should look like. And to make them look even fuller, I'm gonna go over them with this glossy plumping lip gloss. On the cheekbones, apply a light peachy blush. And finally, set everything with a setting spray. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, leave a like down below and also subscribe to my channel. Help me get to the top 20 of the NYX Puerto Rico Face Awards by going to the link provided down below and vote every 8 hours from April 13 to April 20. Bye!